You're fine, honey. Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You guys might remember my friend Mary. She's the one, you have 8 kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's been pregnant 500 times like me. And she's got a couple kids that are diabetic. And we came here and she gave testimony about her son. His blood sugar was consistently low.
Yeah, it was, he ate one of the cakes for breakfast with no insulin, and his blood sugar did not spike at all. It was exactly where it was supposed to be and just stayed consistent for hours afterwards.
And that's not normal when you're a diabetic, okay?
Not
Just
at
so
all.
you know.
Yeah.
So then Mary's been doing the mixes, and it's been a week. And how much have you lost?
6 pounds.
6 pounds. And she told me, she said she's got a lot of health issues
autoimmune
that stop her from losing weight. So how many mixes are you doing a day?
2 and sometimes 3.
Yeah,
like if
good.
I get that really starving thing going.
You're eating minimum 2, minimum
Yeah.
2, and if you're stuck, you need to up it to 3.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, because with these foods, the more you eat, the more you lose. The reason is it's so filling on such a small amount of calories. You get so full on a cake, which is more protein and less calories than 2 pieces of cheese, okay? That's why this works. So that's why I say when you're hungry, eat. Don't ever stop eating. But the more you eat, the more you lose. So if you're not losing enough, eat more. It's the only diet that we can say that to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. Because I started snacking on other things while they were still healthy and they were supposed to be 0 carbs.
What were you snacking on?
Like
Tell me.
almond chips.
Okay,
like almond
chips.
flour chips.
I don't use almond flour. I'm telling you guys, I'm sorry, but I've
gained
never
2
lost
pounds.
weight. You gained 2 pounds. That's
Yeah.
me. Every time I've used almond flour, I've gained weight. That's why I don't do it.
Yeah, and so I learned that when have those cravings, I'm just hungry or running around all over. The key is just to eat another mix.
Yep, make a
And
brownie.
then,
Make a brownie. Make pizza. Go to bed eating a pizza at night. Believe me, you'll still lose weight. You want to say anything else?
No, just that they're delicious.
Anything else you were doing to help people? Like, you said you were getting your kids started on it.
Yeah, I'm definitely.
Yeah,
we've all got to start eating
We got
healthier.
the bulk cookie mix.
I got the cookie mix.
Yeah, so you can. So if you get a budget bundle, you can make the cookie mix as one of your bundles, and you can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, my kids loved the cookies and they're super picky.
Aww.
And I even noticed my teenagers eating differently the rest of the day, but I'm still trying to transition everybody else into what I'm doing, especially.
And it's working.
Yeah.
So just so you know, guys,
it's a huge blessing.
Another testimony, okay? We get these all the time. We're lucky to get 1 out of 10 on video. So we love you. Visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. If you don't live nearby, and if you do live nearby, come see us in the Davison Market. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5, okay? God bless you.